Hello guys, welcome to my mini vlog. My name is John Thomas and I'm here today to discuss our topic, which is our agenda, the Old and New Testaments. And this is the Bible. And this is the Bible. And also this is the Bible. But how much do you know about the Bible? Bible is broken into two parts, which is the Old Testaments and New Testaments. There are 39 books in Old Testaments and 27 books in the New Testament. Based on facts, the Bible is a collection of 66 books, books of laws, books of history, books of poetry, books of collection of songs, books of letters, and even books of prophecy. But this is only combined in one book, which is the Bible. The Old Testament is also divided into many parts: the law, the history, the poetry, the major prophets and minor prophets. Ang focus ng Old Testament ay nakatuon sa relasyon ng Diyos sa mundo at sa paglilikha, kasama na ang relasyon ng Diyos sa espesyal na tao sa Israel. Ito ay nahahati pa rin sa batas, sa kasulatan, sa mga propeta. Sa Old Testament, dito nakapaloob ang mga batas na ibinigay ng Diyos kagaya ng Ten Commandments. Sa kasaysayan naman, dito ang kwento ng bansang Israel at ang kanilang mga pamumuhay. May mga hari, sumusunod ang mga propeta kagaya na lamang ni Jeremiah. Let's move on to the next part, which is the New Testament. The New Testament is also divided into few parts: the Gospels, the history of the church, letters, and the future. But what was the New Testament mainly about? It relates and interprets the new covenant represented in the life and death of Jesus between God and the followers of Christ, the promised Messiah. Like the Old Testament, it contains the variety kinds of writing. But these two parts of Bibles are almost the same. The Old Testament help us to understand who God is, His characters, the state for Jesus. And the New Testament, we learn about Jesus, how we are to obey Him. God wrote every part of the Bible. That's why we need to love it. O sa madaling salita, ang Biblia ay isang gabay para sa ating buhay. Ito ay naglalaman ng mga aral, mga pangako, at mga patnubay na mga tutulong sa atin upang tayo magmasaya at magkaroon ng makabuluhang buhay. Do you want to know more? Okay, I will read a Bible verse, 2 Timothy 3 verse 16. It states here, all scripture is God-breathed and is useful for teaching, rebuking, correcting, and training in righteousness. This Bible verse or Bible emphasizes the divine inspiration of its words and is important for guiding our lives. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. It's mean a lot to me to share what is the Old Testaments and New Testaments. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Until the next time, take care. God bless you all.